Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change color of the transparent picture in Photopea software. So let's start it. At first open your Photopea software. Now you can see change color of transparent picture. Now going firstly open the transparent picture. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now click from open option. Now select. Now we choose from picture transparent picture and click from open option. That is. Now you can see show the open transparent picture in Photopea software. Now we going to the layer option. Now click. Now we copy the layer. Now you can see then we show the layer on. Now we select from color. Now select from color. Now click for OK. Now keyboard press from alert backspace. Then we show the change color and we going to the opacity. Now we choose from opacity and choose from 50%. That is. Now you can see. Then we show change the transparent picture in the change color in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for